Borrow money against my settlement. If you've recently been injured and filed a personal injury lawsuit to recoup damages, you're likely hoping for a fast settlement. However, in some cases, it can take law firms months or even years to settle your claim. During the interim time, you may be having difficulty paying for basic living expenses, especially if you cannot work due to your personal injury. Not being able to pay bills can take an additional toll on your health, as you may be using credit cards or borrowing money from friends and family to stay afloat. You may be wondering, can I borrow money against my future settlement? Fortunately, the answer is yes, you can borrow money against your expected personal injury settlement. Pre-settlement funding was established to help plaintiffs waiting on a pending legal claim. A pre-settlement loan is a type of legal funding that provides people waiting for the final decision from a court case with the money they need to pay bills. Once you've obtained your loan, there's no need to make monthly payments on your cash advance. The money you get from Stonewood Funding will be repaid once, and only if you receive the final settlement. If you lose your case, you owe us nothing. How much money can I borrow against my pending lawsuit? Lawsuit loan companies can typically offer a percentage of your expected settlement money in legal funding. Of course, you should only borrow as much as you need to meet your living expenses. Common types of expenses that legal funding can be used for include medical bills, mortgage and rent payments, utility costs, transportation expenses, daycare, family expenses, education costs, and food and basic living costs. There are no restrictions on what you can use your legal funding for. You can decide how to use your money. What types of claims are eligible for borrowing against your lawsuit? At Stonewood Funding, we can provide lawsuit funding for a variety of different personal injury lawsuits. Common lawsuits that we provide legal funding for include automobile accidents, wrongful deaths, defective drugs or medical devices, dog bites, sports injuries, construction accidents, police brutality, product liability, and maritime or boat accidents. We also offer post-settlement funding for plaintiffs who have reached a successful settlement but have yet to receive their settlement check and need cash. If you don't see the type of case you filed on our list, don't hesitate to contact us so we can review your case and determine whether it's eligible for litigation financing. Do you need legal funding for your expected settlement? At Stonewood Funding, we provide pre-settlement legal funding to help personal injury victims pay medical bills and obtain money for living expenses while waiting for their final settlements. To obtain the money you need, begin the application process using our online loan application form or by calling 844-544-3863. Our helpful loan specialists are available to assist you every step of the way.